Hi all, today we are going to unbox a product, a microphone, Boya BY-M1. This is one of the cheapest microphone available in online market. This is good for presentation and video recordings. If you are a beginner and you are looking for a microphone within 700 Indian rupees, this is one of the best option. We can use this microphone with different devices. We can use with smartphones, also with cameras and laptops. You can see the features on package. On leather cover is provided to keep this device safe. The package contains a clip-on microphone, and this is a omnidirectional condenser microphone with a high quality output. And it has a low handling noise, and this also includes one battery and a foam widescreen, and also one additional adapter is there. The clip helps us to mount this microphone on our shirts or t-shirts. The main advantage is the length of its wire. It has a 6 meter lengthy wire, which is good enough to use from long distances. This is a battery setup area. Here we can add the battery and use it with the cameras. For mobile phones, we can switch it off this option. So one switch is available in that setup. This adapter is also good to use with other devices, and clip is also in good quality and used with our dresses. I am using this mic for recording this video. Overall, this product is very good for beginners who are having a very low budget. Thank you.